19 to 22.
I had to pull it out. I caught the field by the time I caught it.
Hey, 50 plus, back off the road. You got 4 minutes. 50 plus, back off the road. I'm not ready for you yet. I gotta give you a gap or else you're just gonna catch them. So please stay off the road. Let's do 19 to 22 podium. In third place, Tony Sigrist. In second place, Derek Shands. And the winner of 19 to 22, Steven Peruzela. It's your 19 to 22 Esquires. So Steven adds a road race title to his national time trial podium that he got.
You still look like me. I was just
I thought they were on the podium.
Hey, one more with a jersey on. Jersey! Where'd you get the shades?
Now let's move on to 23 to 29. In third place, Giancarlo Bianchi.